Hello, I'm Matthew Crook, and I'm the primary instructor for the Space NC3 certificate at the Naval Postgraduate School. In this next chunklet, we're going to go over the quadratic equation. Now, the quadratic equation, in the form that it's in, isn't necessarily used exactly in orbital mechanics, but that type of math is used all the time in orbital mechanics. What I'm talking about specifically is the quadratic equation is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So there's square functions in there, and if you solve for one of those variables, you'll get a square root in the function very easily. And this type of equation with square roots and squares is used all the time in orbital mechanics and wireless communication. So as an example, our equations that you would need to use to solve for the period of an orbit to know how long a satellite would be overhead, so you know how long you have to communicate with it. Or if you wanted to put it in an orbit where it would be in a geostationary orbit, where the period would be the same as the Earth, so it would stay overhead all the time, those type of equations have squares and square roots all the time. So it's just a type of math that we want to be familiar with, so that we can easily manipulate those equations, so that you'll fully understand when we get to those discussions about orbital mechanics and wireless communications, that you'll be able to fully follow along with that discussion. Good luck.